I'm doing this all the way home. You're gonna break my arm. Embarrassing.
The guys at the golf place, they're like staring. They're like, good
this guy's probably just trying to get his Oh, are they?